Yo man, what's good with y'all, man? It's your boy ErikElGuapo, and I'm back with another vlog, you feel me? This time we at this little car meet thing. It hasn't really started up yet, but we had a car meet. I got my sister here with me in the back seat. You ain't gonna say nothing?
Bro, I'm cringing hella hard. I don't know.
Bro, well, we pretty much came for some moral support, you know.
Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, I don't know shit about cars. You know shit about cars?
Yeah, they got 4 wheels and they run.
Bro. Got one car right here, bro. What is this? A Mustang, right? A Mustang. This shit alright. All black. Cleaned up. Oh, I messed with the back. This shit hard right here. This shit hard. That shit clean. He got it on the sides too. That shit hard. You see me, you see your boy. That's a good car. That's a decent car. I ain't gonna care. That's a decent car. And we got car number 2 right here. What is this, bro? Another Infinity. Feel me. I don't see no modifications to this shit, but that shit look clean. God. What's this? Another Mustang?
Yep.
Another Mustang. A Honda with the parts in the back. That shit kind of go hard, I ain't gonna cap. That shit go hard. I just saw with it, bro. A BMW. Damn, I didn't even know this was a BMW. Got a Honda right here. That should always go hard on the car, so I don't tell. This shit right here, this paint all clean, bro. This purple, that shit look nice in real life, bro. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but this purple looking clean. Shit look like glitter. Oh, damn. I don't know if y'all can see that on camera, but that shit look like multicolored rainbow shit, bro. They already know this car, boy. The homie Black Dragon right here. Right here, he right there. Feel me? That shit looking clean. And we on to another team right here, Street Haiti. Some Mazda thing. Honda right here. That shit blue. I'm messing with the blue. This shit right here looking clean. We got the stripes. That shit looking hard. Everything. That's an Infinity 2. Nissan. Another. Oh, hold on. Look at them tires, bro. Huh? This shit got spikes on it, bro. God. That shit hard right there. The engine in the car. A Nissan. Oh, black. I can't even see through the inside of this shit. No cap. BMW. Clean. BMWs always look clean, bro. You ain't gotta do nothing to them. This shit right here. This car nice. Feel me? You feel me? That shit clean right there. Ooh. Huh? Nothing. It's just a nice ass Camaro, bro. Camaros always look nice. We got another BMW. All black, black rims, everything. And we on to a different team, Broke Boys. they shit called Broke Boys. Oh, I'm messing with that thing. Red tires, red rims. That shit cool, that shit cool. I don't know how I feel about red and blue, but damn, that's a big ass wing. This shit right here. This is a nice ass Mercedes, I ain't gonna cap. He got a cord hanging out his car though. I don't even know what it's up. We got a Mustang. I mess with that hood. Feel me? That shit hard. These rims is hard. Them shits is hard. Those are all the cars that are here so far. What time is it?
120.
It's barely 1:20. It's only been like an hour and a half since this shit started. We still waiting on more cars to pull up. But yeah, man. I'm gonna catch up with y'all once more cars start pulling up. Yeah, man, right now we waiting for other people to pull up. I don't even know if y'all can hear me. It's loud ass freeway right here. We got the freeway right next to us, bro. Y'all know where this at? If y'all know, y'all know. I'm gonna catch up with y'all, man. Once the other squad or team, two teams pull up, see what cars they got. This one right here, this purple one go hard though. Don't get wrong. Look at the little cut. Yeah, this one go hard. Pulled up, man. This is a Nissan. Feel me? Beat society. Feel me? That's some gold rims on that screen. What's up right now? God damn.
Yeah, she's squirting. What's your dancing, man?
Yeah, that's a few, huh?
That's
Oh, damn.
Nah, that's a fucking.
Nah, you don't
Oh shit, both of them. Puta madre.
Hey, you want me in your shoes now?
Hey, who does you guys stand by?
Who the fuck you was gonna do this?
Bro, what is this man doing, bro? What is this man Alex doing, bro? Look at him. Bro, what is you doing, my guy? Look at him, look at him, look at him, look at him. He gonna get me in the picture, taking a picture of him. Watch him eat shit. Bro, he wildin', watch him fall back.
That's gonna make me so much. Oh shit. Nothing rich spinning back. Yeah.
Like in the morning, bro, I was like, that's it for me, bro. I was so deep, bro.
What time?
2 in the morning. Yeah.
God damn.
So, Danny 250 Facebook.
Wait, what?
Look, they're like too skinny, big hands off.
Damn. Alright, y'all, that's it. The end of the car meet, man. Made it back to the crib. Goddamn shit. I mean, squad, a whole team ain't pull up to the damn thing, but you know what I'm saying? That shit was still kind of lit though. The ending, that shit was loud as hell, bro. I was blowing my damn AirPods out my ear, bro. But yeah, man, that's the end of the card meet, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. That shit, low-key, kinda was a bit packed. It was low-key lit though at the end. At the end, that shit low-key got lit. Shit got hot as hell fast, bro. But I hope y'all enjoyed this second vlog. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that post notification bell if you're new. And yeah, man, it's been your boy ErikElGuapo, and I'm out of here.